So Samsung is going to introduce a new Galaxy Watch model to their lineup, and they're going to call it Galaxy Watch FE. That will be a budget-oriented Galaxy Watch. Before sharing more details, I have an amazing watch face design that's available for giveaway, so don't forget to check it out. As we are getting closer to Samsung's next Unpacked event, more information is now available for this budget-friendly Galaxy Watch, and according to Max on Twitter, this won't be called Galaxy Watch FE. It will be just another Galaxy Watch 4 but renamed to Galaxy Watch 2024. We might see slightly better internals on this new smartwatch from Samsung, like a new Exynos processor and a bit more extra RAM. On the other hand, for Galaxy Watch 7, Samsung is going to increase base storage to 32GB, up from 16GB, with better and faster Exynos W940 chipset. I'll keep you guys updated about this new Galaxy Watch from Samsung, so make sure you are subscribed. And now moving on to the watch face design, this is Yosash H385. This is a nice and modern hybrid design with decent background information. Also, you can see some cool patterns in the background, plus you can also change their colors later on in settings. At the bottom we have heart rate monitor, sunset sunrise indicator, and step counter right here. Plus we have also this battery percentage in this dotted form. Now talking about customization, you can change a lot of colors with that background. Like this. We have many options here that you can try out. Then you can change color combination with this center clock. You can make it white, blue, green, and after that you can change color with time, highlighted here, and then you can also do that with watch hands like this. Many options are available here. In the end, you can change shortcuts and complications with this face. So give it a try, and for giveaway, just drop a thumbs up and comment down in the comment section to be selected as a lucky random winner. And with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one. Until then, bye bye.